Welcome to Victor Valley College, where every student's journey begins. Are you ready to take the next step in shaping your academic future? Well, today, we're here to guide you through a fundamental process on how to register for classes seamlessly and efficiently. At VVC, we believe that registering and even dropping classes should be a straightforward and stress-free experience. Using self-service, our intuitive online portal, students have the power to plan, select, or even drop their courses with just a few clicks. Browse through our comprehensive catalog, add classes to your cart, and even create a schedule that fits your ambitions and your lifestyle. Need guidance or have any questions? Our dedicated Rambassadors are here to support you every step of the way in ensuring that you make informed choices with your academic goals. And boom, just like that, you're on your way to an enriching educational journey here at Victor Valley College. This is how to register for classes at VVC. Thanks for watching.